Do you know this? You don't need share your mobile number to chat on WhatsApp. Sounds unbelievable. Well, WhatsApp is finally making it possible. Until now, sharing your WhatsApp means sharing your mobile number. Whether it was for work, business, online communities, or meeting with some people, your mobile number was always exposed. With the new username feature, that's changing. Instead of get out your mobile number, you will simply say your unique username. People can find you, message you using that username, while your personal information stays private. It's a simple change, but it brings a huge improvement. Reduces need to expose our personal information and makes WhatsApp feel much more modern. The username feature being rolled out gradually. If you don't see it yet, if you like, get it an upcoming update. After years of waiting, WhatsApp is finally putting privacy first. But the real question is, will username become the new way we meet online?